Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and in this video we will try to download the live share extension so that we can start collaborating, and so that if I have students, I can help them with their code. Alright, so you go here, extensions, and then you type here live share. Alright, live server, and then this one, live share. So it has live share audio. If we want to have a video audio call, you can hear me and I can hear you, and we can be on the same page. And then this one, live share extension pack, collection of extensions that enable real-time collaborative development in Visual Studio Code live share. Alright, so um, let's see this one. So this is the one that we need. Then we have to install. If you want the audio, you can still install the audio, and you can see that there are 10 million downloads as of the moment. So you can click this one. So and then there are definitions and descriptions of how live share can help us. So be sure to read that. So that's one good practice in programming, that is to know the things that you are using. So as you can see, we are installing it right now, and there we have installed the live share. So what we need right now is to run Visual Studio Code again, so that we are sure that everything is set up. But as you can see here, we have an icon here that tells us that it's okay, but to make sure that the machine will properly work, I'm going to reload it, then run it again. So that's why I highly recommend that we or you use Visual Studio Code for coding, because it helps us to collaborate in real time. Okay, so if you click that again, click that. Okay, start collaboratively editing and debugging with others in real time. Then share. You can also share with read only. Okay, permissions and join and other sessions. Okay, so let's say for example we want to share, and it says here, please select an account. Okay, so you need a GitHub account. Okay, I have mine. And then you have to allow. So this is my account. All right, so you can actually sign in, and then so it wants to verify my account, and I can do that, of course. So but wait, first have to make sure you cannot see it. It's that. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. So after you have done that, okay, so I know that most of us understood what happened. You're being redirected to the uh, authorized application. So it's going back to Visual Studio Code. So invitation link, copy to the clipboard and send it to anyone you trust. Okay, um, so you can make the changes as you wish. So it's in the clipboard. So I think we can try to paste it here. Okay, so this is the code that you want, and then you're going to send it to you, that person, and then when they click on this, we can open the terminal and do start the collaboration. Okay, all right, so that's how we do the collaboration thing, and then here you get to know the session details. So what you can do is you can chat, you can comment, okay, server, share terminal, and so on and so forth. All right, so in this particular mode, you can actually we can only have 30 participants that we can invite, but that's better than nothing. Okay, and we can also install other things like the audio call so that we can uh, have a real-time conversation. So we go ahead and launch that or install that. So live audio, live server, this one is installed. So we want this one. Okay, so we're now installing um, Visual Studio Live's share audio. And then there it is. Mm-hmm. All right. So I think this is the entire package, but we installed it one by one. Okay, so there's no problem with that. So you can also install this if you'd like. Alright, so guys, that's all for how to do a collaborative project. If you want to do a collaborative project using Visual Studio Code, you can go ahead and uh, install the live share extension pack or the live share server. Alright, or live share. Alright, so bye guys, see you again next time.